In this concept video, we're going to look at converting radians and degrees. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. So if we take 150, for every pi radian, there's 180 degrees. So to multiply by pi over 180 is my conversion factor, which gives me 150 pi over 180. Simplify and divide top by 3. I get 5 pi, divide the bottom by 3, and I get 6. Go ahead, pause the video, and try number 2. In number 2, I have 270 degrees times my conversion factor of pi over 180, which gives me 270 pi over 180. So I simplify, so divide by 10, divide the top by 9, and I get 3 pi, divide the bottom by 9, I get 2. Go ahead and do number 3 for homework. Number 4, we start out with negative 210. Our conversion is pi over 180. So we get negative 210 pi over 180. Simplify, divide by 10, divide by 3 on top, so we have negative 7 pi, divide by 3 on bottom, and we have 6. Go ahead, pause the video, and do number 5. Number 5, we have a negative 160 degrees times our conversion, pi over 180, which gives us 160 pi over 180. Divide by 10, divide by 2, and I get 8 pi over 9. Go ahead. And the original was negative, so we have negative 8 pi over 9 is your answer. So go ahead and try number 6 for homework. Let's go ahead and look at the next page to convert radians to degrees. In the first, we have 4 pi over 3. So 4 pi over 3 times the conversion factor. We need to cancel out pi, so pi goes on the bottom this time, and 180 goes on the top. So we get 4 times 180 pi over 3 pi. Pi cancels. Divide by 3, and I get 60. 4 times 60 is 240 degrees. Go ahead and pause the video and try number 8. Number 8, we have 17 pi over 4. And we go ahead and multiply that. We want to cancel out pi, so that goes on the bottom, 180 goes on the top. So I have 17 times 180 times pi over 4 pi. Go ahead and cancel out the pi's. Divide 180 by 4, and I get 45. And 17 times 45 is 765 degrees. Go ahead and do number 9 for homework. Let's look at number 10. We have negative 7 pi over 3. We need to cancel out pi, so pi goes on the bottom, 180 on the top. Negative 7 times 180 pi over 3 pi. Cancel the pi's, 3 cancels, and I get 60. Negative 7 times 6 is negative 400. Oops. Let's try this. Negative 420 degrees. Go ahead and pause and try number 11. Number 11, we have negative 19 pi over 4 times, we cancel out pi, we have 180 in the top. So we get negative 19 times 180 pi over 4 pi. Cancel pi's, divide by 4, and I get 45. Negative 19 times 45 is negative 855 degrees. Go ahead and do number 12 for homework.